Okay, isang one gataan po. One gataan. So we have here, Ma'am Chong, the LGU officials.
And of course, Councilor Rono, nandiyan din po si Councilor Melvin Bongbong.
And our SK federated president, of course.
Okay, one gataan. Yay! Ginano
So,
sila!
yay! Iman.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, SDOPC, CID, from the SDO personnel.
Next is the SGOD team. Okay? Doon po yung ating exit.
Sa left side po ng ating stage po. Ang bababalan po yung ating SDO CID personnel. Maiwan po yung iba po natin. So once again, let's have SDO personnel from SGOD. So sila po yung nasa likod ng ating SGOD team ng Division of Bulacan. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo.
Lagi nakasuporta yan sa live. Kasama din natin sa live.
Of course, the Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Pilipinas.
Sir Ber, Manaliti. Good morning po, guys.
Good morning, Vice, at maraming salamat po for gracing this ceremony. Okay, one gataan, one tinanungan, of course. And the trademark, yay! Tinanungan. Kaya masaya po sa municipality ng Tinanungan kasi ang trademark namin ay servisyo.
Maraming salamat po, SGOD team.
Now let's have Tinanungan is school heads. So andito po ang ating mga school heads from Tinanungan East District, both in elementary and secondary. Of course, Ma'am Joanne, they are headed by their PSDS, Dr. Ruel Dinigdad. Ang susunod po natin ang Tinanungan West District School Heads. Get ready po dito po sa silent stage natin para sa ating protocol. Maraming pong salamat.
Next, let's have our stakeholders. May we request on stage? Tinanungan West. Ayan. Okay. Let's now have the Tinanungan West District School Heads.
Tinanungan West District is headed by their Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Ronnie S. Mendoza. Next on the list po, get ready ang ating mga stakeholders.